Shatavari is also not a simple component or a single molecule. Shatavari is itself is once again a drug with versatile activity, but it is a samana pratyarabdha dravya. It is having Madhura Virasa, Madhura Vipaka, Guru Guna, and Shita Virya, and it is extensively used in those areas. And all those studies which are conducted, keeping in mind a particular action of a drug is taken, considered, and accordingly whether it does or not, such type of activities has been studied, and they found it is one of the important galactagogue. It improves the breast milk secretions. For our astonishment, we have in Charaka Sutrasthana, fourth chapter, wherein Acharya has explained about 50 Mahakashayas, where he has not mentioned anything about this Shatavari are included in any of the such groups. But there, Acharya Charaka has included this Shatavari in Shukra Janana Varga. And now another researchers, if you find out in the net, you can get a lot of information about that Shatavari also boosts FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. When Shatavari is able to stimulate a follicle stimulating hormone, that follicle stimulating hormone is also one of the important component in spermatogenesis. So that's why Shatavari, if it is given to an adult male, it improves his functions of this spermatogenesis. So that's the reason we should not just simply brand it as Shatavari is a galactagogue. It should be given only in the females. No, it's not like that. It is given to a reproductive age group female only after prasuta avastha, only in the purpurium stage, only after delivery. If it is given, then only the particular action of galactagogue is enhanced and it is observed and it gives the result. Otherwise, the same Shatavari, if it is given to a young girl who is not married or not delivered, we don't understand or we don't observe galactagogue action. So it is not like that, where there is a prerequisite atmosphere should be present inside the body which supports those drugs to function. Drug has a potential of acting as in enhancing the FSH, enhancing the prolactin, and even galactagogue function is there for Shatavari. But in the same time, Shatavari is one of the important Rasayana Dravya, and it is one of the important Shukra Vardhana Dravya or Shukra Janana Dravya. So we need to understand that it is not a taboo that we should not give Shatavari to an adult male. Shatavari can be given to adult male. It may be given to many conditions. I use Shatavari in many of the renal calculus patients with wonderful results. Shatavari Adhigrita, in that form, I use this and it gives a wonderful result. So it doesn't mean that it should not be given to any adult male or something like that. So it has a versatile action, but provided that there should be prerequisite condition in the body or a samprapti that which can be able to break it out. So we need to understand for all our Ayurveda drugs that drug potential and what actually intended or where for what action we are using this drug. This to be kept in mind.
I just took out the Bhava Prakasha Nigantu's explanation on Shatavari. He says, Shatavari, Guruhu Shita, Tikta, Swadvi, Rasayani, Medha, Agni Pushtida, Snigdha, Netriya, Gulma, Atisarajit. He says, like you explained, Shukra, Stanyakari. So it is Shukrakara and also Stanyakara. And Balya, Vatapitta, Srashota, etc. So it's having a wide range of action for sure.